Let's bake in high resolution details for this low resolution mesh without the need of high resolution source mesh. So let's delete this material. This is just a shader ball you can find. So just take that. Now we want to UV it. The UVs looks good. Make sure there isn't any overlaps. Okay. Now let's explode the mesh. Make sure everything is away. There are no intersections. Okay. But the weird part is that this actually has to be moved too. Because it actually has the same name, I guess. Because it's explode by name. So just move it away. By hand, it's fine. Now let's add this quick material. And we want to make sure that you alt left click on this. Oh, it's actually shift click. Yeah, it's shift click. Shift left click. So that it actually renders this. So let's go to the view where we want to take a look at our detail. Like here, enable rounded shader. And then just go to the render view. Make sure it's scene view 1 and press render. Just wait a bit. And now you can see, let's make it maybe a bit darker. And now we can control how much of a bevel we wanted for these edges. I think this is gonna look nice. Not too much, not too little, like that. So let's stop render it. Make sure to press stop because it's actually gonna keep rendering it if you want until it's finished. So let's put down simple baker. So this is going to be our high resolution, and just right before it is going to be our low resolution mesh. So after everything is hooked up, maybe let's work with the normals. So let's go to the right after the attribute delete. You can see that there are some weird places where they aren't hardened edges. So let's put down normal. Maybe decrease the edges. So right before, so that this is hardened up like that. Okay, this looks nice. So go to the simple baker. Make sure everything looks nice and right. And now let's just bake it. Baking is done. It took around 30 seconds. Let's take a look how it baked out. I'm gonna put down quick material right before we explode the mesh. Put down a little bit darker color and point to the normal map that we just baked out. You see it looks a little weird. Just put in flip like that. Now we can take a look at our shader ball, how it has baked out details. It looks mostly fine. Now in Substance Painter, with the apply normal map, you can take a look at the result. So I put down this material. You see we are getting very nice soft look around the edges. One thing is, something like these screws, they're actually pretty, I mean with the ramen tail that they won't really be visible, but if it's really bothering you, one thing you can do is to add a fill layer. Let's turn off normal map in here. Let's everything here and put normal back from the fill channel back in. And now we can make a white mask. White is basically not gonna hide anything. Go to the polygon fill mode. Take the polygon fill option, and we can just, if you hold press on mask, with X you can change white or black. We want black, we want to hide these. You can just go around and hide all of these normal detail that didn't quite bake out. So let's take a look. You can see if it's really bothering you that much, this is a small detail that no one else really gonna notice if it's a part of the bigger scene, but the option is there. You can just go around and hide out these normal details that didn't bake out, like that.